Hello all, welcome to Value Trades channel. Today let us try analyzing what are the possibilities for tomorrow. As we have understood that the Trump has removed the tariffs, or at least paused the tariffs for the further going 90 days. Yesterday both the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq have made really good move, and the Nifty shot up by almost 800 to 900 points, and it was showing a gap up of 800 points. But eventually, as the things are settling now, the reality is coming back to the market. And let me take you first to the Nifty chart so that you will understand things better. So this is how it is for the moment. Nifty is again coming back. In fact, it has closed at 466. For this moment, it is just showing a gap up of 300 points. At one point, it was almost with a gap up of 900 points. That was potentially it was showing. So now it is showing a gap up of 300 points. But whatever the gap up or whatever that it might come out with, I am not changing my view, as I have posted in the earlier video, that Friday fall is coming. Probably it might not happen on Friday, as the things are appearing now. It might be postponed, but fall is for sure happening. So I just wanted to discuss about the same. So without wasting much of a time, let me take you to the chart of Nifty, and make you understand how I'm looking out the things for the panning out next week and this month. So as far as this Nifty chart is concerned, there are certain things which have to be considered. One, there is a huge gap that is built over here. Okay, for in all likeliness, tomorrow the gap might get filled, and then eventually it might further come into the fall. That is a scenario one. Okay, so this is scenario one, wherein remember that the gap might get filled and eventually the fall might happen. And this is the scenario one. And the scenario two is wherein it might go and test this larger trend line, which is at a day level, okay, which happens to be this one, which is heading towards 23,000 at 23,054 to be exact, to be precise, which can happen. Okay, which can happen. And so it might start a fall, giving you a fall from 23,000 as well. Okay, even if let's suppose that 23,000 is as well taken out. Okay, and then eventually the markets are heading towards, let me shift to the week level. Okay, so at a week level you can see it very clearly. Okay, so it is heading towards this very week. Okay, as tomorrow is last day of this week, it can go to this level, which happens to be 23,250. So these are the major 3 points which have to be considered. One is 22,850, the other is 23,000, and the other is 23,250. So the market might take a turn from any of these points. So I will be trying to accommodate my positions accordingly. And in all likeliness, I will not be really making positions much on the next coming expiry, which is on 17th, but rather I will try making my positions for the 30th April. Okay, and for 30th April, I am expecting, as far as 30th April close is concerned, I am expecting market to be taking out or coming near to this bottom, which is at 21,800. Okay, so accordingly I would love to take my positions. So as far as the strike price that is concerned, most likely I might be picking 22,500 of the 30th April. So 30th April, and let me go to 22,500. Okay, so for this moment, this is where it is at 451. Let me change it to day level. Okay, so now there has been a proper accumulation that has happened at these prices. Okay, so most likely I will start accumulating once it reaches, anytime that it reaches 100. Okay, this is my view for 22,500 for 30th April. Okay, I might start accumulating right from 149, and if that 149 is taken out, I might be taking up another lot at 100, and even if that is taken out, then I will be accumulating another lot at 50. So I might be, let me remove this line. Okay, so I might be, I'm interested to purchase at these prices at 150, 101 and 50 respectively, and having a target of minimum of this high, which happens to be at 517. And if this 515 is taken out, and then the next target would be 846. So this is a strike price that I am interested in. I do not want to touch the next coming expiry, because the way that market is appearing to be projecting itself with a gap up, it is highly possible that if it is coming back from 23,850 level, the market tends to remain sideways for this expiry. Or there are much better chances that index might get managed and it tends to remain within a range. So or it could come down as well. Okay, there is nothing as such, but most likely the chances are the market might remain in sideways for this expiry. So that is the reason for which I am not really much interested on 17th, and I am trying to accumulate on for 30th April for the month end. Okay, so these are my prices at which I am interested to buy. So one is at 150, which I might think twice before purchasing at 150. And so the next position would be, yes, 150 are very good prices to purchase. Okay, so these are the prices at which I am interested to purchase, and having a targets of 515 and 846 respectively. So this is my trade plan for this month. Let's see and how it works out. And as I have told you in my earlier video as well, as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, let me take you to the Bank Nifty as well. Where is this Bank Nifty? If it comes out with a good gap up on Bank Nifty as well, I might be the same lot that I have booked a profit. And in our earlier video I have shown you that I have booked a profit at 1500, right? In my earlier video I have shown you that I picked it up at 200 rupees, and we have vacated it at 1500 rupees. So I will try doing the same again. If it is available again, it can come available again at somewhere at 200 tomorrow. I'll again pick it up at 200 and try targeting 1500 again. It might be a good chance again. So this is another Bank Nifty that I am really interested in. This is the second position that I am interested in. So these are the two strike prices. One is 50,000 PE on Bank Nifty for the month end, and the other is 22,500 PE on Nifty, which I am likely to purchase somewhere near and around 100. Then after, yeah, these are my positions, and these are my targets. If I pick 200 here, then yes, my target would be, my first target would be 1000, and the second target would be 1500. And if these both are taken out aggressively, then yes, I will be waiting and trying to book my profits at somewhere at 2000. So this is my strategy for this coming month, and I will keep you updating about my positions and about my outlook and how the things are rolling out. The only thing that is always considered before picking up any trade is risk to reward. Okay, so for always, this is the mool mantra for me. This is the only mantra for me. As long as my risk is supporting the systems, yes, and the reward is really good, yes, I stick to the process, and I keep taking my positions. Okay, so this is it for this time, and I hope you would have enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, or if you have any criticisms, or if you have anything else to contribute. Kindly do so in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day.